Hey, 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 come closer. I'm having more fun than is probably legal. Let me ask you a question. Um, have you ever been frustrated by the results you're getting when you're marketing and your business growth strategy? I mean, have you ever been, like frustrated in how to figure out how to grow your business and maybe even make more profits? I mean, the last 4 years have been nuts with COVID and then wild, crazy inflation and the rules changing of the business. I mean, it's nuts. If any of this sounds familiar to you and you'd like somebody to show you exactly where to look in your business to accelerate your growth, boom, 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 then raise your hand because I'm going to put on a profit acceleration virtual workshop next week. And we're going to have some fun. And I'm going to show you exactly where to look in your business to grow revenue, double profits. Yep. And gain some sanity back. And I mean, wow. So I've been doing this for about 30 plus years, and we've discovered the secret. When you know where to look, and what to look for, results are simple. So your next step is to watch the info little video, a few minutes. It'll give you more of the details and then opt yourself in. And I promise you that it will be some of the most profitable time that you've spent working on your business in years. That's my promise. All right, Mark Rosenberger, wishing you have more fun than is probably legal. All right, bye now.